Welcome to our lesson about the Offset Entities tool. Let's begin by activating the tool. Now let's uncheck all the options except Add Dimensions. And let's select the lines we want to offset. Now let's take a look with reverse direction checked. Select Chain, Bidirectional, and you'll notice with bidirectional check, the cap ends option is available. We can choose to cap the ends with lines, as you see currently in the preview, or arcs. The last option, Make Base Construction, converts the source sketch to construction geometry. Let's accept. And this concludes our lesson about the Offset Entities tool.